We'll use an editing program like CapCut. Import the video to be subtitled. Drag the video into the timeline. Right-click to extract the sound from the video. Create a green background by clicking on Library. Add the green background by pressing plus in the timeline. Drag to the top of the video. Adapt to the length of the video. Enlarge the green background to cover the entire video. Export the video by rewinding it. Return to the Submagic web page. Import the green screen video. Subtitles are generated. Capture the subtitles with the green screen and save. Go to your editing software. The green background is removed. Bring in the capture. Now we remove the green background. To do this, go to the Trim tab, then to Chroma key, go to the image and select the green color. Make two settings, strength and shadow, with a value of approximately 50. Move the subtitle to the top, for example. Adjust the beginning of the subtitle in relation to the video. Adjust the end of the subtitle. Then we expand our video. Here's the result.
Today, we're going to show you how to add subtitles to your videos without having to pay for them. We'll be using artificial intelligence to make the process easier. In this video, we'll cover the steps involved in adding subtitles.